Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be doing the weekly setup in my PR planner, which is a DIY half letter or junior size planner using tool disc and tool cover. I'll be using this washi tape from Simply Gilded along with this sticker book from Kell Plan. This is Flourishing Florals. I'm also going to be pulling from the upcoming release from Isis Ella Jewels. I did an unboxing of this recently. I'll link to that video in the iCard up above. But I will quickly flip through what will be available in this release coming up on Friday, July 1st, 2022 at 9 a.m. Pacific time. These are the individual doll sheets that will be available. This is a freebie sticker, and then here are the journaling memes or journal memes or journaling squares is what I call them. And if you do decide to shop the sale, you can use my discount code Rachelle10. All of the information will be in the description box below. The sale is this Friday, July 1st. So these are the stickers that I pulled out as inspiration for this spread. I'm not sure that I'm going to use all of these, but this is going to be a neutral black and white style spread. So this is last week where I did the hidden boxes. So moving on to this week. So I'll be planning for June 27th through July 3rd. So I'm going to go ahead and use these day of the week covers. I usually don't do day of the week covers in my PR planner. And here I'm going to do another hidden box on Monday using the full boxes and colorful boxes from the Kell Plan sticker book. And if I'm talking strangely, my apologies. I had to go to the dentist this morning. I'm very annoyed with them right now. I'm being fitted for a crown for a tooth that broke. And this was my second appointment to have the crown installed, and it didn't fit. So I have to go back a third time to get it redone. But anyway, I put together the box. If you'd like more information on how to put those together, I'll link to the video from last week so that you can get more detailed information. I'm adding a little deco to the double box. I added this week's focus and some bullet points to the hidden box. Here I am adding some of the washi tape in the footer area. Here I'm placing the dolls from Isis Ella Jewels. So for the first doll that I added, I'm going to make her part of a cluster. I'm adding the journaling meme and a colorful box from Kell Plan to build some layers and create a clustered look. Here I'm just adding some more colorful boxes in different areas on the spread. Adding a quote from Kell Plan, and I'm also going to be using some of this script stickers. These are printables that are available to patrons over on the Scrapcraftastic Patreon. I'm adding today and the to-do sticker. And here I'm adding the next week's sticker on Sunday. So I wanted to keep it very simple this week, but it did look a little too plain. So I'm going to use one of these washi strip stickers from the Kell Plan book up at the top. Okay, so that is it for this spread. Let's pop it back into the planner. So the dolls are from Isis Ella Jewels. Don't forget to check out the sale on Friday. The boxes are from Kell of a Plan, as well as the date covers and the black washi strip. The white washi tape is from Simply Gilded, and the large script stickers are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. The inserts are also available to Patron Elites. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.